Okay, let's get started. So 12.5 equations of lines and lengths continue. Okay. So I think last time I will not record the cross product today, but I will record the equation of the lines. Okay, we started the equations of lines. So if we have a line here, it passes through. Okay, let me live transcript. Okay, so it passes through a point R0 is X naught, Y naught, Z naught, and the direction vector is V is A, B, C, and then we have three types of equation. The first one is called the vector equation, which is R naught plus TV. T is a parameter. Okay. And the other form is the parameter equation. This is X, Y, Z. This is X naught, Y naught, Z naught plus TA plus TB plus TC. T is a parameter. Yeah, I think I'm right. Sometimes the layer. Yeah. Or parametric equation. And the final one is the symmetric equation. So which is X minus X naught over A equals to Y minus Y naught over B, Z minus Z naught over C. Here A, B, C is not zero. Like I said, if A is zero, for example, if A is zero, and then we have X is always X naught, Y minus Y naught over B, Z minus Z zero over C, like B, C is not zero. Okay, so let's move the transcript. Okay, so you may say if AB is zero, means that, for example, if AB are both zero, it should be X minus X naught, Y is Y naught, Z, if, you cannot write it out anyway. We will not talk about this. I just want you know, if we talk about many cases, it's complicated. For example, if AB is there, you cannot do this. You just get this equation. The main reason is that the parametric equation is the essential one. We just rewrite the second one to the symmetrical equation. Is it clear? So you focus on this. If you can write the first one, automatically you can write the second one, and finally you change the format, you get the symmetric one. Clear? You don't have to memorize it. You say, maybe you say, okay, I can remember it. Now you can, but after we study more, you cannot. It's quite hard to memorize everything because too much information. Of, but I don't know why the internet is not good today. My whole, I don't know what happened. Okay. So we will use cross products today. So if we have two vector alpha, and we have another one, which is beta, automatically two vectors like this. I draw can span a plane, right? We got a plane like this. A plane P, and then we know there is a vector which is perpendicular or orthogonal to this plane, right? We call it n, right? And this n is called normal. You have to know this name because in the future people say, okay, the normal vector of a plane, that means that n is perpendicular to this plane, where you can say, okay, n is perpendicular to alpha and beta. They are equivalent, okay? And then n is the normal vector. Now we know how to compute n, right? And by the cross product, we know n can be written as alpha cross beta. Okay, we always assume alpha is x1, y1, z1, beta is x2, y2, z2, right? Our question is, okay, if we get this, we can write this is A, B, C, it's a vector, right? And then how question is, we can assume, and also we can assume the plane pass through one point like this. But you know, if we have a plane, you can move upward, downward, left, and right, right? You have to fix one point. Otherwise, you know, you don't know where is the plane, right? So if we have the question is that how do we get the equation of a plane passing through a point x naught, y naught, z naught, and normal vector A, B, C, right? The problem, how do we write out the equation? And then, so we pick any point x, y, z on the plane, right? And then this is very important. Just, you know, if you know the method, what I taught you, you don't have to memorize it. You can, when you have a problem, you just think in my way and you get the answer directly. And then we collect, we call, this is P naught. Okay, this is P naught. And then we collect P and P naught. We get a vector, right? Here we have P naught. P is, look at this, x minus x naught, or y minus y naught, z minus z naught. We, by observation, or just observation, we know P naught, P is perpendicular to n. Right, this is very important. The equation from this place, and then we write out this, we'll get the equation. Okay, so because we know P not P is perpendicular to P, means that it means that P not P dot product n is 0. So, and then we write this outside explicitly. So we have x minus x naught, y minus y naught, z minus z naught. This is a vector dot the normal vector. The normal vector, we assume it's A, B, C. Okay, this should be 0. Okay, and then we write outside, we get A x minus x naught plus B y minus y naught plus C z minus z naught is 0. So this is, or you can say this is a formula, okay? So this is called, okay, let me change the color. So the equation of plane. Clear? This is very important. You know, we care about the plane because the plane, you know, it's kind of straight. Okay. So you have to know this. I hope you can understand this process because the analysis is quite simple, right? Not hard, right? Just a basic logic. Okay. So this is called the equation. And also in the book, sometimes the people write in this form. Sometimes or I write a remark. The equation, what I give you is ax minus, oh no, ax minus x naught plus b y minus y naught plus c and z minus z naught is 0. Right. It's kind of, we can open, it's kind of the bracket, right? And then we can write this is ax plus by plus cz minus ax naught plus by 0. No, y not? It's the same. Okay, c0 is this. Or hence, in some book, the author write, okay, the equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is 0. They're the same, right? We just write the same thing in different format. Nothing new. Okay. And also, this is the first remark. And the second remark, if someone say, okay, the equation of a plane is ax plus by plus d is 0, I just write the capital. Try to emphasize this is this. You have to automatically read out some information. Okay, the internet is not good. It says your internet, my internet connection is unstable. Okay, like I said, if I'm out of the internet, you just stay here, wait for a moment. Okay. And then you can automatically from this know A, B, C as the vector is the normal or a normal vector to the plane. Clear? So you have to know this part, it's kind of the logic is like that. By my analysis, okay, I say, okay, N is very important, the normal vector field, and then you get an equation, and you find, okay, the in the appeared in front of the coefficient of x, y, z, right? And then finally, you can say, if in the future someone give you, okay, the equation of a plane is like this, you can automatically read the normal vector field. A normal vector is ABC. Clear? Okay, that's what I would say. So, and then let's look at example. So the example is find an equation of the plane passing through P is 1, 3, 2, Q is 3, -1, 6, R is 5, 2, 0. So you may say, okay, I didn't teach you this. That's math, you know. In math, it's kind of every time. Okay, the theorem statement is very okay. Hi, Professor, my submission finally. Okay, okay. So in math is always like if okay, I know everything. Well, I read the English and the math theorem or formula, but I just don't know how to do a problem. That's math because you have to convert the abstract statement into the one you can manipulate. So I didn't talk about this, but you have to know some information. We have P, we have Q, we have R, P, Q, R, 3 points. But we know if you have 3 points, you can automatically collect them, right? Get a 2 vector. Of course, you can get a 3 vectors, but we only get a 2. We only need 2 vector. So we get a PQ and a PR. Okay, so get a 2 vector. Okay, and then let's compute it. PR is 5 minus 1 is 4, right? This is -1, -2. PQ is 2, -4, 4, right? We get a 2 vector. You don't have to draw the R3. That's unnecessary. Doesn't help you. I can do it without the R3, coordinate. I think so will you. Okay. So you get 2 vectors, but if you think about the formula, we have to know 1 point. We have to know a point or 1 point plus the normal vector. You just follow the root. The first one, we have 3 points, right? Just pick anyone what you like. For example, I pick a P. I pick a P as a point. P is 1, 3, 2. And then our goal for this, find N. I think you know how to find N, right? N is the normal vector. So N is PR cross product PQ. Okay, now after we compute N, we can write the solution to get directly. So let's show you how to find N. N is I, J, K. PR is 4, -1, -2, 2, 2, -4, 4. If I made any mistake, you just point out. Okay. So, and then let's continue it. By this is -4 minus this is 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Wait, okay, the internet is not good. Okay, plus 4. Oh, I think I'm right. Plus K. So this is 16 minus 2 plus 2. So we get 12I minus 20J minus 40K. So we just write 12 -20 like this. Okay, we just get N, right? If you look at the lecture notes, okay, probably the N that I find is different from this one, but the solution is the same, because N is not unique. If you change the direction, the PR and the PQ, you cross product, you get a different operation, the direction, right? But it's okay, right? And then, okay, let's write. I think I can divide it into 3 steps. Step 1, this is this. And then this is step 2. And then step 3. By the formula, we'll write this is 21x minus 1. Just 1 point minus 20. Y minus 3 minus 40. 14. Z minus 2 we get 0. Okay, and then you simplify. Okay, of course, you can write 20x minus 1 plus 20y minus 3 plus 14z minus 2 is 0. Yeah, I think I'm right. And then we simplify plus 20y plus 14z minus 12 minus 60 minus 28. Continue to simplify plus 21 plus 14z. This is 40 minus 100. So this is our equation for the plane. Equation of the plane. Let's try to find. Is it clear? Okay. So this is very important. Anyway, just important. We will use it recently, and also we will use it for the future for the surface case. Anyway, just very important. If you can understand my analysis, okay, that's fine. If you cannot understand my analysis, just follow the step and do the problems. Okay. So I think this is about the plane. Okay. So this is about the plane. Okay. AX plus BY plus. Sorry, my computer is off. Okay. Anyway, I finished that part for the plane. Okay. Probably, I think I will open my, close my video. Probably it's not good because of the video, the video. Okay, that's weird. Anyway.